To understand confusion about origin, we must understand power. Benin City was a major imperial center for centuries. Its influence extended through trade, warfare, diplomacy, and tribute systems. Western Igbo communities interacted with Benin. Some paid tribute, some traded, some intermarried. But influence does not equal ancestry. Colonial administrators in the late 19th and early 20th centuries often simplified complex ethnic realities. Border communities were sometimes labeled according to political influence rather than genealogical memory. However, Anioma oral historians consistently maintain Eze Chima was of Aro Igbo origin. His migration did not begin in Benin. It moved westward from Igbo heartland territories. Linguistic continuity supports this. Ritual systems support this. Clan genealogies support this. Identity was preserved, not imported. Communities that trace lineage to Eze Chima preserved. The OFO system of ancestral authority. Igbo kinship structure. Nji Ozo, title traditions. Chi and Ella cosmology. Igbo naming conventions. These are not surface-level borrowings. They are structural cultural foundations. Eze Chima's story is not about conquest. It is about settlement, continuity, and adaptation. He represents a pattern repeated across African history. Migration without loss of identity. History is not written only in books. It is carried in lineage recitations, in festivals, in dialect, in ancestral memory. Eze Chima's story reminds us, identity is not defined by empire, it is defined by memory. The Niger River did not erase Igbo identity, it carried it west. And today the descendants stand firm. We are Igbo. Follow Limitless Living for more untold history.